Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you the best themes and wallpapers on Realme 14T in the Themes app for the most unique look of your smartphone. So let's go ahead into the Themes app where we can get all of these themes, and there are lots of them, so I'm gonna show you just a few, but feel free to explore that app as much as you want. So as you can see here, we have the themes which are applied to both wallpapers and the icons in the system, as well as the clock on the lock screen will be changed and some other stuff, so that's pretty interesting. Also, some of these wallpapers may apply the colors to your system, so like buttons in the system will have a different color. That's great. You can also find fonts. I'm not gonna talk about fonts here, but you can just explore them right here. Then you can also get to wallpapers, which I'm also gonna show you. So let's begin by themes. And we're gonna use the search bar because I'm gonna give you the names, but if you want, you can find different collections here, or just look around here and you'll find these themes. Some of them may be paid, but most of them, as I've noticed, are free. So it's just up to you. If you want to support some creator that has created the font, the theme, then feel free to do it. And all of the ones that I'm gonna show you are gonna be free. So the first one is the Simple Universe Shine. And this is the one. Once you click on download or apply, for the first time it'll start downloading. Then it'll give you the options of applicability. So you can apply it to lock screen, home screen, and icons, and I'm gonna select all of them, then click on apply. I already have all of these downloaded, so it doesn't just take any long. And as you can see, this is the font, and a lot has changed. The icons are completely different than they were. I think they look quite great. You can also see that the lock screen is changed. We have this interesting animated clock with some bubbles, whatever. It's like the days of the year, of the month, and the hours of the day. So that's also interesting. But I think that it is like a countdown to the next month, to the next year, and to the next day. Then let's see if these icons work. If I, for example, click on message, then yes, it does open messages, so that's quite great. And now we can get to the next theme, which is Smooth Brown UX. We can just search for it. I also like that one. So if we get to the themes and search for Smooth Brown UX without any spaces, then this one is, I think the most interesting part is the clock on the lock screen. So I'm gonna apply it to everything, so we can also see the icons, and this is how they look. You can see not all the icons will be changed, and that's pretty normal for these themes, because for each app the icon has to be specifically set, and some of the third-party apps just won't have it set. Then as you can see on the lock screen, we have the hour, the day with the day of the week. And let's get to the next theme. The next one is Bricks Kingdom, I believe. So if I search for it, this is the one. And I think the icons in this theme are the best, because even if some icon isn't adjusted, it'll still look great. So let's click on apply. And now, as you can see, you might have noticed that apps like, for example, the Netflix weren't adjusted in other themes, but here it just takes the logo and puts it into this perspective view. So I think it looks great, and the ones that are adjusted look even better, like, for example, the games or settings. So let's get back to the theme store and see the last theme. Then I'm gonna get to wallpapers. So it's gonna be an interactive interactive theme. Just search for lovely cat from forest. And this is the one, so you can apply it. And now once it's applied, you can see also the icons are changed, the wallpaper, that's also looking quite good. But we also get this interactive cat on the lock screen wallpaper, which if you click on, it'll show, for example, hearts, or if you click on its head, top of the head, it will do some different actions. You can interact with its paws, or like with the head, with the face, whatever you want, honestly. And that's pretty great. So now let's get to the wallpapers. I have only 2 wallpapers, but I think they are still quite good, and feel free to explore more of them. So one of them is Realme 10. It is a one created by Realme, and I think it just looks really good. So I need to select wallpapers here in the search, then I'll find it right here and I can apply it. And I can select whether to apply to lock screen, home screen, or both. I'm gonna select only the home screen. So let's apply it. And now you can see the wallpaper. And then the last thing, which is also the wallpaper, which is gonna be Invisible Man in red shirt. And this is the one, so let's apply it as well. And now this is how it looks. Also, you might have noticed that if we change only the wallpaper, then the icons stay. So in case you want to go back to the default theme, it's pretty simple. Just go to Me, My Resources, and here you can select all of the themes that have been downloaded, and the default theme will just bring back the default icons, right? But it has changed the wallpaper to the default one as well, so I'm gonna go back to the wallpapers and apply the one that I wanted. And now I think it looks really well. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.